Hey guys, what's going on? What is going on? Street Trading here with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at a 15-minute chart of BNTX. So obviously, we're all the dips are getting bought, right? So, as you can see on a technical standpoint, what's cooking, the boys brought it down south. They took their profits run up into the end of April, and then obviously, pretty flushed the security quite deeply to a pretty decent demand around that 140, 145 you can see. And then after that, it's been putting up some pretty significant and consistent higher lows and higher highs. So, going into this week's session, we had this on our weekly watch list. We obviously had our level set, ready to go. Again, whenever we put our weekly watch list out for everybody, it's not like, it's going to start cracking on Monday, or it might not even crack at all, may crack on Thursday, Friday, whatever. Anyway, BNTX came into play yesterday. We set alerts on our charts for particular levels, and we actually weren't even looking at this thing going into pre-market. We had some other securities we were looking at pre-market. We ended up trading Yala to the downside a little bit. Got stopped out a few times. Took a little bit in the afternoon, well, a little bit in the kind of late morning, early afternoon. It wasn't anything significant. It just wasn't really a clean chart to the downside, but we took a little bit from it. And then obviously BNTX started to come into play. We got alerted, and we ended up started to put on some risk, and ended up running very, very nicely. Cut pretty much the entire move from our initial plan from the this past weekend on our weekly watches. So let's get into how we trade this thing. Where we got involved and why we got involved, how we got involved, and let's just talk some levels, and let's talk some businesses, and get down to details, guys. Let's get down to business. All right, here we go.